Invisalign is a technology that, without braces, invisible, people love it. It's easy to wear, easy to handle, very easy for doctors to manipulate, and definitely less visits and less adjustments. So it's a win-win situation for the patient and the doctor.
It can treat multiple types of problems. Teeth that are rotated, a tooth that's in a crossbite when your upper tooth is kind of going behind your lower tooth.
The technology has been around for many, many years, but what Invisalign did was they took it and brought it into the computer age.
We do have a way of monitoring treatment because it is mapped out for us. What the teeth will look like after their 4th aligner, their 5th aligner, their 8th aligner.
You have a series of trays moving your teeth from point A to point B. About each tray moves your teeth 1/4 millimeter, about 1/2 millimeter a month.
And each tray, it got better, and I think maybe 5-6 months in, I was thrilled with how it was looking already.
How quickly we forget what we used to look like in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
You get more excited every time you're gonna change your aligner because you just know you're that much closer to your goal.
She showed me on the computer screen what my teeth looked like, which was pretty scary, and then she pushes a button and it showed the transformation of what your teeth could be.
So when the patient can actually see that they have changed from where they started to somewhere in the middle, and they can see it on the computer and they can say, oh, well, I've progressed, and it keeps them motivated, keeps them excited about getting to that end result.
We can deliver a straighter, healthier, better looking teeth in about average 9 months for most people.
The express cases that we usually handle those in 6 to 8 months. And the advantage with an invisible technique is that they can really appreciate the changes because there aren't any wires and brackets covering the teeth.
The teeth, when you first put that new tray in, they're not used to that new position. So it's a little bit of an achiness for the first day.
I've never had anyone need any pain medication, but I have heard a couple people tell me that they took an Advil or an aspirin or something like that.
The most successful people actually change their aligners at night.
I would change my aligners to the new ones before I went to bed. So by the next day, you'd live through all that tightness.
The braces, on the other hand, you know, a lot of people remember having their braces tightened, and it can be extremely uncomfortable for days.
Having Invisalign would not be a distraction for me in business and working with my clients. I'm in front of people every day, and I think it would have been a bit of a distraction, a little embarrassing to wear regular braces.
So we have real estate agents or people in sales or litigating attorneys.
The lawyers who are our patients, they speak with their trays in during their depositions and court appearances.
The Invisalign process allowed me to keep going forward, do it discreetly, and every 2 weeks, just notice a change.
With Invisalign, you can take the aligners out, and so you can brush and floss and keep your teeth nice and healthy.
And when you wear regular braces, you have a wire you need to floss under, and most patients don't do that, so your gums become really inflamed and red and maybe bleed.
Do it as an investment for your health. It's not just for your beauty.
So most patients that come to me initially with kind of shoulders in. You know, they talk to me like this, they're not really showing me their teeth. And when they smile or they laugh, they kind of do one of these things, cover their teeth. And then when, of course, they're done, then they're, this is the change. The shoulders go back, the chin goes up, and every time, we're talking or in discussion, they're really doing this all the time.
Being happy and showing your smile, I think it's worth a lot to many people, and it's priceless to them.
I love to look in the mirror now. I love to smile. I'm in every picture.
Complete difference.
Making someone feel better about themselves or feel better about their smile is really what I love about my job.